We are about to start part 4 in the concert tour desktop publisher simulation. Uh, we're in project 10, which is design a CD jewel case. In the book, it's on page 67. Uh, what the objective is, we're going to create a CD case design for your band's first CD. So here's where we at. Here's where we are at in the simulation. Since the signing of your new recording contract with Pinnacle Records, your band has been in meetings with music executives discussing the details about your band's first CD. The executives have asked your band to submit a design for the CD, including the title of the CD, a list of songs that will be included, and other details. So in this project, you will use your desktop publishing skills to create the design of the front and back covers of your band's CD jewel case. So be sure that you read about the getting to know what you're designing. Be sure that all of the stuff you use is original and not copyrighted. Be sure that you include everything that's in this gray area right here. The title of your CD, your band's logo, your band's slogan or tagline, that's optional. One or more graphic images that will help illustrate the title and theme of the CD. Make sure it's your design. Don't just rip somebody else's off. Include a photograph of your band, that's optional. Additional text, graphics, and design elements that will help enhance the appearance of the CD cover. So this top one's the CD cover. And then this is the back cover. Needs the title of your CD, your band's logo, song list, your band's contact information, including address, city, state, zip code, email, and website address. I look for each one of these. So if you leave one off, that's 5-10 points that you could have had. The names and titles of each member of your band, that's optional. Individual photos of each member of your band, that's optional. And you must include a barcode. Remember when we got the barcode for the magazine cover? You could go to back to that assignment and download the same barcode if you want to use that one as well. And then continue on this page. You need to include, this is very important right here. Include the following copyright information. Use a copyright symbol, 2000. We are in 15 right now, so 2015, all rights reserved, Pinnacle Recording Company, and the name of your band. Don't put bracket the name of your band. Put your actual name of your band. And then additional text, graphics, or design elements that will help enhance the appearance of the CD cover. So don't follow this direction. Save it in your 6 weeks folder as if you're on first period, 1B underscore last name first initial underscore CD case or CD cover. I'm not too picky. I just want you to be able to identify who did it. Here's the page setup instructions. Let me go, before I show you the setup instructions, here's some examples of some decent CD covers that other students of mine have done. So you got the barcode on the back cover, song list, the copyright. See, they put 2000XX. I don't want that. I want the actual year. But be sure you include everything that it says. Now back to the page setup instructions. You're going to open up InDesign. And you're going to go make sure your preferences, units, and increments is inches and not picas. And then you're going to create a new document. Now it's one page, 8.5 by 11. The margin is 0.4 inches on all sides. It's portrait. And then you click OK. Now, it says you create a bordered frame measuring 5 inches wide by 4.75 inches tall. So 5 inches by 4.75. So you're just going to get your rectangle tool. Make sure you can add a stroke around it so it's bordered. And we're going to make it 5 inches, 4.75 tall. Let me double check. Yeah, 5 by 4.75. Now we're going to do it again, and it's going to be 5.5 and 4.75 tall. The back is a little bit thicker because the top closes on the back in the CD case, so it's got to be a little bit bigger. So back to InDesign. I'm going to create another one. 5.5, 4.75. Now I'm going to move that out. There you go. So you're not going to print it or anything. It just says create a bordered frame around the back cover, and add the contents that it says in this gray boxes inside of those, and then you'll save it in your 6 weeks folder. But that's how you set up the page, and you'll save it in your 6 weeks folder. Does anybody have any questions about the CD case? Nope. All right. Well, that's pretty much it.